Hello and welcome to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today I will show you how to make tea time crunchy nashta. Light, crispy and full of flavor. Perfect for evening tea or as a quick snack for guests. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon ajwain, half teaspoon black seeds, half teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda and 2 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Ajwain and Kalonji add not just flavor but also digestive benefits. This snack is inspired by bakery-style layered savories. Add 1/3 cup water. Knead into soft dough. Ajwain helps with digestion and reduces bloating. Black seeds are known for their immunity-boosting properties. Keep the dough soft but not sticky for the best texture. Now rub some oil and keep aside for 10 minutes. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon oil with 1.5 tablespoon corn flour. The corn flour mixture creates beautiful flaky layers. Divide the dough into 3 equal portions. Roll out all the rotis. Rolling evenly ensure all pieces cook at the same time. Spread corn flour mixture. Dust some flour and repeat the process. Using minimal baking soda keeps the snack light. Fold as shown, roll again. Cut the edges, then cut into long strips. Take each strip and cut into triangle shape. This can be stored in an airtight container for up to a week. Fry in medium heated oil for 8 to 10 minutes until the layers open and they become crispy. Maintain medium heat to let the layers puff and crisp properly. Do not overcrowd the pan while frying to keep them crunchy. You can bake them instead of frying for a healthier option. And there you have it, your perfect tea time crunchy nashta. Serve hot with tea or store for later munching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more tasty ideas. See you in the next recipe.